It's 5:10 in the fucking morning. Alright, as you can tell by the title of the video, we're gonna be doing a ratchet get ready with me for freshman year. This isn't the first day, it's the second day, because the first day I was running late and I'm probably gonna be running late again. What can you do about it? I don't know, maybe get ready on time. Anyway. But yeah. So right now I'm gonna go brush my teeth, wash my face, and then I'll show you guys my outfit. Alright, so this is my fit. I got my biblical painting shirt on. I got this from Shein. Then I got my Old Navy jeans on, because where else are you gonna get jeans from? And then I got my Adidas. I don't even know how to do my lighting yet, to be honest. Which I finally got my mouse so I can edit my videos, because I wasn't able to edit because my trackpad was being retarded. I'm just gonna talk to y'all about like school and stuff. So as y'all know, I'm a freshman. Okay, nothing special. I'm a freshman. Bro, look at my eyebrow. What is that? What was I saying? Oh, but I made a new friend. I guess you would say. He's chill. Found out he lives up the street from me, so that's cool, I guess. I don't know, I don't really care. It's not like I'm gonna be like at his house, so that don't really matter. But he lives there and he's funny, I guess. I don't know like what to say about him. It's nothing special. It's just like, that's my friend. Oh, it's literally right, but I'm so slow. I'm doing pretty natural makeup today because one, I don't have time, and two, it's not the first day of school. I don't gotta impress nobody no more. A lot of the kids that came, I became friends with, know my ex-boyfriend, and let's just say they are not his biggest fan. Yeah, no, they don't like him at all. I told them I knew him and they were just like, ugh, like, are you okay? I was like, yeah, I'm fine, why? And they're just like, we don't like him. And I'm like, oh, got it. I don't like him either, so. Wasn't expecting all that. It looks so much brighter on camera than it does in real life. I was like, oh, okay. All right. Time for mascara. All right. Okay. Semi-decent. All right. Lip gloss time. Ma'am, I need you to work. And now I'm ready to go because I'm late. So, bye. So I look so cute on my first day of school. And I'm just like,
I like cash in my hair to my ass. Do the dash, can you make it go fast?